Welcome to my channel IELTS with Sejal. Today's new cue card is describe a place you want to visit in the future. Where it is, what you know about this place, what you would like to do there, and explain why you want to visit it. One place I really want to visit in the future is Japan. I've always been fascinated by Japanese culture, technology, and traditions. I've read a lot about cities like Tokyo and Kyoto, and they seem like the perfect blend of modern life and ancient beauty. In Tokyo, I'd love to see the Shibuya crossing, visit anime museums, and try authentic sushi. Kyoto, on the other hand, attracts me with its temples, cherry blossoms, and peaceful gardens. I've also heard that people there are incredibly polite and organized, which makes traveling more enjoyable. Another reason I want to visit Japan is because of its advanced technology. From high-speed trains to robot cafes, it feels like stepping into the future. I think this trip would not only be fun but also educational, as I could learn a lot about their culture and lifestyle. So yes, visiting Japan is definitely on the top of my bucket list. Follow-up questions and answers. 1. Why do people like to travel to other countries? People travel to experience new cultures, try different foods, and see famous landmarks. Traveling also helps people relax, learn new things, and gain a broader perspective on life. 2. What kind of places do young people prefer to visit? Young people usually prefer exciting and trendy places like theme parks, beaches, or big cities with good nightlife. They enjoy activities like hiking, photography, or exploring social media-worthy spots. 3. How can tourism benefit a country? Tourism brings in money, creates jobs, and promotes cultural exchange. It can also encourage governments to preserve historical sites and improve public facilities. 4. Do you think travel will be different in the future? Yes, definitely. I think eco-friendly and virtual tourism will become more popular. People will use advanced technology to explore destinations online, and more travelers will care about sustainability. Like, subscribe and comment for new videos.